So this one is the last one for today. It says choose a filter. Popular photo sharing apps often allow you to load a picture and then apply one of many different filters, such as these down here. In this exercise, you're going to recreate this by creating an original picture with 4 different filters underneath. Filters should be in the table provided, but you can make up the filter names and insert the image of your choice. Size both the original image and the filter images, but the original should be bigger than the filtered images. Then create and apply 4 filters. Consider any of the filters you have seen, as well as applying multiple filters. For example, a hue rotation combined with a brightness filter. Get creative. All right. So we'll click get started here. All right. So I'm going to just use the one that's provided here. So, because I don't really know all the fancy filter names. What was it they had in there? Clarendon. Gingham. Moon. And Lark. Okay. And then we need to do an image. So we will do image class equals Clarendon source equals, and we're gonna go back, we'll use my shiny muck again, although this time I'm gonna use the 3D one. Open the image in a new tab, copy the URL, and then we can come put it here. Oh, I see why that's not correct, because we need to put the little close thing at the end. Alright, and I'm going to highlight this. I'm going to copy it. I'm just going to paste it again. And the perfectionist in me doesn't like that that's off. We're going to paste it again. Then we're going to paste it again. Alright, so we need to change. So instead of Clarendon, we're going to have Gingham. We're going to have Moon. And then we're going to have Lark. Okay. But again, it should be the same picture. Alright, and we need an original image. So we're going to, up here underneath original, that's where we're going to put the original image. This one's going to be image class equals original source. Let me copy this again. Copy source equals quotation marks, and paste the image, and then put the doodad on there on the end, and then everything else we need to do in our style sheet. So let's see what our output looks like currently though. Alright, so we've got it. It's just that we need these to be smaller, and we need them to actually have the filters on them. So what we're gonna do is we'll just make a normal image first. Image space little curl hue doodad, and the width is gonna be 125 pixels. Oh, and I forgot my colon in there. And I need a semicolon at the end. Okay. And then we need image.original. Make sure you put that space in there now. width 400 pixels. We're gonna do image dot clarendon. Need to see these names again. Space curl q doodad. And this one we're gonna do filter colon space hue dash rotation 20 DEG for degree. Then we're gonna do image dot gingham. And this one we're gonna do filter colon let's do blur. We'll do a blur on this one, gingham. Blur by 1 pixel. I don't really know what settings they have on all these. I know that moon is grayscale. I can see that. So next we have image dot moon. Don't forget that space. This one is filter colon grayscale with an A. And I'm gonna do just 75%. And then last one, image dot lark space curly q doodad. We've got filter colon hue dash rotation 330 degrees. And we're also going to do a brightness on this one. So we're going to do brightness 120%. And let's see, let's make sure that we have moon, lark, gingham, and clarendon over here. Oh, we made them uppercase. Let's make them lowercase because that's how we have them in the style sheet. Moon, lark. Let's just make sure they match. And they do. Let's see what our output looks like. What happened? Why is it not this one? Oh, there it goes. Okay. So I've got blurred for gingham. Clarendon doesn't really look any different. What did I do with that one? Oh, hue rotation 20 degrees. So just change the hue slightly on these two. This one's also a little bit brighter. Let's see what if it gives us the correct results. Yay! There we go. We got them all. Submit and continue. And we're good to go.